Okay, tell me what you did for 10 hours each day.
Assassin's Creed Brotherhood.
And tell me about it. You're like totally riled up.
You're like
Wait, you don't play as Ezio, do you?
what?
Okay, no, you don't.
You're like a back in the day of Robin Hood. I don't really know the storyline. I kind of came in, but most of the time I wasn't even playing it. I was watching Elijah play it for like 10 hours, and it was still like so much fun for me.
And what did you were saying you were like swimming and then diving and then...
You're swimming and then jumping into hay bales and climbing towers and saving the day.
How can you focus on something like that for 10 hours? And like I give you some
everything was
out.
changing.
It's a video game.
And it was like a real world. Like there was so much land that you had to go to, so it wasn't just like exploring the same part. There was like uncharted places you were always going to.
Ooh, that's cool. What about
It's like a real life Rome or something.
you were saying when you're done you feel like you're still in it.
Oh yeah, I feel like I'm in it right now, and I have to take care of some things. Help the Italianos. Get rid of the French. The usual.
So really and truly you sit there for 10 hours, no eating breaks, no
No, I
nothing.
eat all the time. I'll pause it while something's loading or something.
Okay.
Where you go get some chips.
But my eyes get like, it looks like I'm high, because my eyes, I never blink.